We are getting ready for zipline. This time, I think here. You want? Okay, okay. You can take a picture for the rooftop. Wow! Look at that. Look at the location. Seriously. You have a place for sit down. There's a farm over there. I don't know if you can see or not. Oh, this is a real top. Wow, that's a 360. You can get it from here. Since it's too much wind over here, I couldn't fly my drone too much. I just only fly a little bit far. But I have friends over here, they are from Playan City. The wind is here. We are going to Zipline. So, currently, one of my friends already start crying already. How's your mother? She's going to call her mother. Yeah.
Iliad ka daw.
Say bye.
Okay, bibilang ako.
May kukuha na sa amin doon.
Meron. Meron po, meron.
Say good night.
Mapagalap pala.
Woohoo! They're on the way. Wow! It's raining. I don't know how much you will get the video, but I'm doing it. No choice already.
Laglag mo lang sa yung paa mo, sir. Laglag mo na yung paa mo.
Wow! Going upside down. Whoa! Wow! Not bad.
All good.
Good, good, everything good.
Tara, release na natin.
Okay, thank you. Right now it's 3:35. We are going to Tanawan Falls. It's raining. I don't know the video quality. Looks like we don't care.
Heavy?
No? Yeah, hold it.
Wow.
Hold it.
It's beautiful. This is our Mr. Vlogger. Say hi, Mr. Vlogger.
Hello.
So we're going to falls this way. Please subscribe to him.
So now we're here. We're going to Hanging Bridge.
We're going to Hanging Bridge. Ang ganda to sa ano, transparent din yung hold niya. Di ba nung hinawakan niya kanina?
Ganyan nga yung 360 ano. Hindi kita na may hinawakan dyan.
Bili ka na, Anjanette. How much is this?
That is 38.
Ano?
38
Wow. Yeah, 38.
here. Thank you.
Wow, the drop is almost like 50-meter drop. Luckily, we are going down, not going up. That is luckily. Oh, it's good. That's a hanging bridge. It's going to be beautiful. Only thing is today raining. Wow. It's like a gateway. Beautiful. Look at it. Slippery. The wood is slippery with the water. Yeah. Slippery slope. You guys take a picture if you want to take a picture. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Full of rain today. All the shots get ruined. I have no other choice right now. We have a resting place. Let's see. After the hanging bridge, you need to take the right. We went on left, so we went to end up in different place. Here you have a 50 paisa towel rentals available. So, as you can see, hanging bridge, cottage 1 and 2, 3, zipline tower. There, Tanawan Falls. You gotta be kidding me. There, Tanawan Falls, locker, everything here. So,
Right. No,
again we are going down. When you're coming back, it will cry your knee. Ah, you have gate. There's a falls there. I can see from here. I think this is a local. If you don't pay, you can come this way. That's so good. Seriously, it is going to be like a dodgy right now. I didn't care. I came so far. Wow, beautiful. Look at it. Nice. It is worth it. But the only problem is raining. Wow. Nice. It's okay. Look at that. Why don't you go there? Very good, Tachi. Yeah. That's a place. How it look like? Hey. There's a jumping place over there. You can jump from there. Okay, right now it's like a 4:30. The rain not going to stop. I came to the falls. I couldn't jump because even though if I jump, the footage is going to be not nice. But I promise you, I'll come back one more time. I'm not going anywhere. I'll give you a correct and good quality of video of this falls. So this is the only shop available right now. They have a buko and snacks all available here. Everything available. This is the only shop. Look at the situation. We are so high. I had to go that side almost like another 20 kilometers. Tonight I'm going to stay over there. Look at the side. Wow. The mist is coming down. Too much mist is coming down. Right now it's 4:50. Look at the situation. You can see there the mist is coming down. I don't know today. It's going to be like a very windy and misty. So everyone is leaving. Look at the situation. How much are you asking?
We're gonna take a walk 90.
90 pesos?
Yes.
Oh, that's
For
tough.
the three of us.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. Mwah.